Hi everyone, welcome back to FortiGate Firewall session. In this lesson, we'll set up our home lab. We need EVNG and VMware Workstation. What is EVNG? EVNG is a multi-vendor network emulation software platform that allows network engineers and administrators to create and test complex network topologies in a virtualized environment. So before deploying any configuration in our production network, we can test our configuration on this platform. It enables users to emulate various network devices from different vendors including Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto, Fortinet, and more. Another software that we need, which is VMware Workstation, the type of hypervisor, and we can download this hypervisor to this link. This one is the updated one, Windows Workstations Pro 17, and if you have Windows platform, you can go through this link, and if you have Linux system, you can download from this link. As I have Windows platform, so I am going through this link and downloading now. And we need EVNG, and we can download EVNG from this link, and we'll download OVA file. If we go through this link, we'll not go with the professional one. If you download or if you use professional EVNG, you need to pay. We'll go through the free version, and we have three options over there to download EVNG OVA file. We can go with Google Mirror or Mega Mirror. I'm going through Google Mirror and download. So the file size here you see 2.7 GB, and I have already downloaded that. Now we'll see how to install these two softwares. First we'll install hypervisor, which is VMware Workstation. I am using this one. I have license keys for VMware Workstation, but if you don't have, they will give you a trial period. You can go with that and practice. It will take some time to be installed. We'll go through this process. We'll come to the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard, and we'll click on next. We'll accept the license agreement. Next. Click on next. No need to check for product update. Click on next. Desktop icon will be created. Install. And we need EVNG OVA file that I have already downloaded there, and you will have a zip file. You have to unzip it. I have already unzipped, and I have a OVA file over there. So our task will be, we'll install VMware Workstation, and on this hypervisor we'll install EVNG, and on EVNG we'll install FortiGate firewall image. Here I'll put the license. I have 5 license keys. I can take any of it. If you don't have, you can go with free version, just clicking on finish. Now if we open VMware Workstation, we can create a VM. Just click on File and open. If we go to the desktop and software, here if community version, I have a OVF file over there. I just double clicked on this and it is asking to put a name. Suppose I am giving if VM, and it will be stored in this directory. Import it. It is almost 3 GB, so it will take some time to be uploaded. And by default, it has taken 8 GB of RAM and 4 processors. Hard disk has taken SCSI type, 60 GB. Network adapter, it has taken Breezed, but I'll change it to NAT, and USB controller present, display auto detect. I'm not pausing this video because I want to show that how long it takes to be installed. And actually it depends on your system, how fast is your system, and if you have heavy resources, then it will not take long time. Once it is installed, you can increase the memory, you can increase the number of processor and the hard disk. So now I'm changing the network adapter. Here I am using NAT, and I am taking 16 GB of RAM, and now it's done, and I'll click on OK. Now you see it has changed, and I'll power on this virtual machine. Okay, once it's installed, we have this IP address 192.168.238.128, and we can access it from browser 192.168.238.128. maybe let me check. 238.128. Press enter. Now we have web interface, and here username is admin and password is if by default. You can change it. If you want to save this credential, you can save it. And this is the platform where you can create your own lab. Like I am creating Fortinet lab 1. Now save it. And here we can add the nodes. Now we have to upload Fortinet image. We don't have that. In our next session, we'll see how to upload Fortinet image. So thank you so much. See you in next session.